Hi, in this video, I will show you how to apply for Medicare card online in Australia. So, you can apply for a Medicare card online using your MyGov account. This process is simple and you don't need to visit a Centrelink office. So, first, navigate to any browser, go to the search bar and type in my.gov.au. Hit enter and this will take you to this page. Now, if you don't have an account, tap create a MyGov account and finish the sign up first. So click create account button just right here. Now choose email or digital ID. You can click continue with email. Now enter your email and click next. After this, enter the code that you're going to receive on your email. After entering the code, click next. Now enter the mobile number or you can also click skip this step. Now simply create a strong password. Click next and here choose your secret question. For example, what was my favorite child book? Click next. Choose another secret question. Now, after creating account, it will show success account created. Click continue. Now, after you finish setting up your account, you'll be instantly logged into MyGov account. Here, simply navigate to services. So click link a service here. After navigating to services, now simply choose Medicare. So scroll down and search for Medicare. It is just right here. I will click link. Now, I will scroll down and click I agree. Also, you can see that MyGov will collect these details from your profile. Click I agree. Now, it will take you to this page where you can simply link your Medicare to MyGov. Now, you can also enroll in Medicare if you don't have it. Simply use this button to enroll for the first time, or you can also re-enroll in Medicare. Before enrolling, you need to check if you're eligible. Click this link to check if you're eligible or not. So you can only enroll in Medicare if you live in Australia and you are an Australian citizen, New Zealand citizen, Australian permanent resident, applying for permanent residency, or a temporary resident covered by ministerial order. Now, you can navigate back here and simply click link Medicare to MyGov. So here you can click enroll in Medicare. Now, you can see the terms of use. You can simply scroll down and click I agree. And here you can choose do you have application number? So choose yes or no. Now click next. Here, read all these terms and click next. Now choose what's your citizenship or visa status. Select the right option and click next. Now choose who are you enrolling for, yourself or others. Now click next. Now simply enter your passport number, family name, first name, second name, date of birth, gender, declaration, and follow the prompts step by step. After following all these prompts, you can upload your documents, enter the personal details like full name, date of birth, current address, passport or visa details, citizenship or residency status, and the next step you may need to upload passport, visa grant notice, Australian citizenship proof, and birth certificate. Then you can add family members, it's optional. You can add spouse, partner, children, and review everything carefully. Tap submit, you'll receive a reference number. If approved, you usually get a temporary Medicare number to your MyGov inbox. You can use that number before your physical card arrives. And your Medicare card is posted to your address in about 2 to 4 weeks. Important notes, you must be an Australian citizen, permanent resident, or eligible visa holder. You can only apply online through MyGov, and temporary Medicare numbers work at doctors and pharmacies. Address must be an Australian. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.